Students and parents, welcome to What is ChatGPT? In this video, we'll be talking about the pros and the cons of this new technology. We're going to show you everything as of right now that we know on how to use this to support learning, to make sure we're intellectually and academically honest, and a whole lot more. Let's dive on into it. So what is ChatGPT? Well, ChatGPT is a website that runs on artificial intelligence that can answer questions and give information on almost any topic. Within the first 2 months, ChatGPT had 100 million users, so many users that it crashed the system. Now, who's using it? 43% of college students say they've used AI tools like ChatGPT to research and learn. Teachers are using it to jumpstart lesson plan creation. Marketers are using it to help them write ad copy. Programmers are using it to check and write code. And it's an independent company that is heavily invested by Microsoft, and new integrations are being developed for it all the time to make information finding easier.
To access the full resource, visit smartsocial.com. Our VIP members can log in to access this app and 400 plus more social media safety resources on demand. If you aren't a VIP member yet, ask your school if they are a Smart Social partner to get you access to these resources for free. Parents and educators can join our VIP program to access all of our resources by going to smartsocial.com/VIP. I'm Rachel with smartsocial.com, and we hope to see you in our full resource for VIP members,